Want to know how to use and open crates in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application and now head towards inventory. That should be on the bottom right. So once you've selected inventory, scroll all the way down until you see this small crates icon. Just simply click on it. Now, you need to have coupon scraps like this to have a crate. So if you already have like 10 of them, you can combine them and create a single crate. So I'll just select combine right here, and after that you will be getting a crate coupon right here. So just simply select use, and once you've selected use, just head towards open once right here. Now just simply select your coupon, so you don't have to use any UC, just simply select coupon right here. Now select OK, and after that your crate will be opened just like this. And now you can also see the rewards coming up like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.